All right, today we're going to do a little Sunday discussion on this bluesy bounce point indicator. I made a video before of using the arrows. I personally don't like to use the arrows. I do change my ATR period and ATR multiplier to 1 and 1, and I put it on a line instead of dots. Uh, Also, I like using on this particular candle setup a 25 and 110 EMA. There's my 110. Let me see, where's my other EMA right here? 25. And the bar size that I'm using is a uni wrinkle 6 on the tick trend, on the offset 7, and on the reversal 40. I really like using this with the NQ. Anyways, the way I like to trade this, instead of using the arrows, um, I like to wait until price. So here, look, we're below both moving averages. And these yellow lines, they print in real time. So I like to trade these as long as price is not touching the yellow line itself. So like see here, that one's touching. So I would like to enter this trade right here, this candlestick for a scalp. This one's touching, so I would enter this one. But see, this one's touching, so I would enter this one for a quick scalp if we're on the right side of the EMA. So for instance, I would enter here, 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 I would enter here. All those for little scalps. And I think I'm just on this one I was just doing. Uh, I usually scalp uh, either 6 or 12. Just depends on how the market's moving at the time. Right now I'm doing a eval with per dia. So I'm just doing one tick, one candle scalps at 10 ticks because all I need a day is $200. Um, but anyway, let's go over this. So if you're using the moving averages, which I suggest at least until you learn some trade discipline, just wait till you're moving averages, a trade on the right side of them. So like if we're taking this trade, we have a yellow line here, nothing's touching it. We're on the top of both EMAs, so there's you're good for 1 or 2 candles there. Let's see. I don't really like to take trades when these moving averages are apart but close together. I kind of treat this as kind of a chop zone for me personally. Where we have a yellow line, this candle I would enter because we're not touching the yellow line. We're on top of both moving averages. Same here. I would enter this candle right here. These are still good trades, but as I was telling my class, until you learn patience and some trade discipline on when to enter, I would just trade on one side of these moving averages. So we have these two moving averages. I would only take longs, even though these are good trades. After you learn some trade discipline, you can start taking these, but I wouldn't take them until you learn that. That honestly, that discipline, it takes you a couple of years to learn. I'm not even going to try to sugarcoat that. It's a battle that you have to fight with yourself. It's a pretty tough battle, but once you get it, you get it, and it'll take time. But in order to teach you that trade discipline, just trade on the right side of the moving average. So here, even though these are amazing trades, I wouldn't take a trade until here. And another thing, you don't have to keep taking you don't have to keep taking all these trades. You can take one trade per color, you know. So we have a long here. I would take this trade, this candle right here, one scalp. Wait, and then wait for the color change below your moving averages, and take another one. You don't have to take every freaking trade. You're only If you can do one trade a day and win it, you can make a living for the rest of your life just off one trade a day. That's all you need to do. You don't need to over trade. So here, look, we have a yellow line. Price is above your moving averages. I would wait probably to this one right here and take it, or you can wait to this one and take it, or you can take this one, 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 or this one. It doesn't matter. Here we're below the moving average, take that trade. Here we're above the moving average, take this trade. Here we're above the moving average, take this trade. We're above the moving average. We got a yellow print, boom, take that trade. We're below the moving average, yellow print, nothing touching, boom, take that trade. Same again, boom, take that trade. Here, we're above, we got a yellow print, we got a moving average, we're clear of everything, boom, take this scalp. We're above the moving average, we got a yellow print, boom, take that candle. Here, boom, take that candle. Here, boom, take that candle. Take that candle. Take that candle. Take that candle. Take any of these candles. We got a yellow line printing, boom, take this candle. A yellow line printing, boom, take this candle. Yellow line printing, boom, take that candle. You're still good. You got 6 ticks here. Trade, 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 trade. Here you would have lost. I mean, but how many times are you gonna take trades in a certain direction? Uh, my uh, key thought is you take one trade per direction. So here, take this trade. We have a direction change, no trades because we're above this, but now we have another trade. Take one trade. So if you take one trade every time, you should be golden. You don't have to keep trading until you run out of trades. That's where you're going to get your loss. So here, look, we're below the here. Nothing's touching. One trade, you win. One. Wait for it to change. One trade. But see, you have a direction change, and then you can take another trade. So you got a yellow line printing, boom, winner, winner, winner. Direction direction change, trade one time, winner. Direction change, take this trade right here, winner. Direction change, winner. Direction change. We're not taking it. We're above the EMA. Direction change, winner. You get 6 ticks right here. You'll get your 6 ticks. Direction change, one trade, winner. Direction change. That would have been a loser. If you're just obeying these moving averages. Because I wait till I clear moving average before I enter the trade. Direction change. Clear the moving averages. You got a yellow print. Boom, winner. Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change. We're below the MA. No trade. Direction change, winner. 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 Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change, winner. Direction change, winner. Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change, no trade. Direction change, winner. Direction change, winner. Whoops. Oh, I screwed this up. I screwed this chart up. Sorry, guys. But you see what I mean. Just stay on the right side of the moving averages until you get some discipline in, and you should be good to go. Anyway, this indicator is called the Blue Z Bounce Point. You can find it on my Discord. I'll post a link from my Discord. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Have a good Sunday.